Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable theft protection on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Now from here, just tap on lost device protection and tap on theft protection. From here, just tap on theft detection lock. Now from here, just set a screen lock on your smartphone. Now from here, you have a few options to set a screen lock on your smartphone. Now as you can see, you have the option for a PIN, a password or a pattern. Or you can select to set your fingerprint or the face recognition. I will select the pattern. From here, just draw your pattern. Now once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on continue. Now just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on confirm. From here, just tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable theft protection on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.